Best Cashback Credit Cards for October 2021. Earn more rewards every time you spend. The right cashback credit card can help you get the most out of your everyday purchases. If you already use a credit card at the grocery store or gas station, you can earn a nice chunk of bonus cash with a cashback credit card. The money you get back is then deposited straight into your bank account or applied as a credit on your monthly bill. No need to transfer points, convert or strategically redeem anything to get your rewards. If you spend money on eligible purchases, you earn real dollars and cents. Depending on the rewards rate and the level of your spending, you can earn anywhere from 2% to 5% overall on your purchases, sometimes even more. Check out our picks of the best cashback credit cards below. This list starts with cards with the most straightforward reward structures and ends with those that are more complex. Chase Freedom Flex. This card has the brawn to handle just about all of your credit card spending needs without an overinflated price tag. The card has an annual fee of $0, yet comes with a pumped-up earnings structure that covers a wide swath of expenses including travel, drugstores and dining, plus rotating quarterly bonus categories in areas many households are likely to find appealing. Earn a $200 bonus after you spend $500 on purchases in your first 3 months from account opening. Earn 5% cash back on grocery store purchases, not including Target or Walmart purchases, on up to $12,000 spent in the first year. Earn 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in combined purchases in bonus categories each quarter you activate. Enjoy new 5% categories each quarter. Earn 5% on Chase travel purchased through Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining and drugstores, and 1% on all other purchases.
No annual fee. 0% intro APR for 15 months from account opening on purchases, then a variable APR of 14.99 to 23.74%. No minimum to redeem for cashback. Cashback rewards do not expire as long as your account is open. Citi Custom Cash SM Card. The Citi Custom Cash is a great option for people looking to maximize cashback rewards without having to worry about activating or selecting bonus categories. Citi will only issue one Citi Custom Cash card account per person. Earn $200 in cash back after you spend $750 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening. This bonus offer will be fulfilled as 20,000 thank you points, which can be redeemed for $200 cash back. 0% intro APR on balance transfers and purchases for 15 months. After that, the variable APR will be 13.99% to 23.99%, based on your creditworthiness. No annual fee. Earn 5% cash back on purchases in your top eligible spend category each billing cycle, up to the first $500 spent, 1% cash back thereafter. Also, earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. No rotating bonus categories to sign up for. As your spending changes each billing cycle, your earn adjusts automatically when you spend in any of the eligible categories. Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express. Big spenders at U.S. supermarkets and road warriors who frequently spend at U.S. gas stations or transit like taxis, ride shares or transit can rack up impressive cashback rewards. Earn a $300 statement credit after you spend $3,000 in purchases on your new card within the first 6 months. $0 intro annual fee for the first year, then $95. 6% cash back at U.S. supermarkets on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, then 1%. Buy now, pay later, enjoy $0 plan fees when you use Planet to split up large purchases into monthly installments. Pay $0 plan fees on plans created during the first 12 months after account opening. Plans created after that will have a plan fee up to 1.33% of each purchase amount moved into a plan based on the plan duration, the APR that would otherwise apply to the purchase, and other factors. Low intro APR, 0% for 12 months on purchases from the date of account opening, then a variable rate, 13.99% to 23.99%. 6% cash back at U.S. supermarkets on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, then 1%. 3% cash back at U.S. gas stations and on transit, including taxi/rideshare, parking, tolls, trains, buses and more. 1% cash back on other purchases. Cashback is received in the form of reward dollars that can be redeemed as a statement credit. Discover it Cashback. For moderate spenders who are willing to activate the 5% rotating categories and track the quarterly spending cap, this no annual fee card can deliver tidy rewards outside of its ongoing 1% earning rate. Intro offer, unlimited cashback match, only from Discover. Discover will automatically match all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year. There's no minimum spending or maximum rewards. You could turn $150 cashback into $300. Earn 5% cashback on everyday purchases at different places each quarter like Amazon.com, grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and when you pay using PayPal, up to the quarterly maximum when you activate. Plus, earn unlimited 1% cashback on all other purchases, automatically. Redeem cashback in any amount, anytime. Rewards never expire. Use your rewards at Amazon.com checkout. Number 1 most trusted credit card according to Investors Business Daily. No annual fee. Discover is accepted nationwide by 99% of the places that take credit cards. Savor Rewards from Capital One. The Capital One Savor Card is an ideal cashback credit card for those who love to splurge on bars, restaurants, and an active social life. It's easy to justify the annual fee and accumulate great rewards with a remarkable 4% cashback rate on dining and entertainment, including popular streaming services, 3% cashback at grocery stores, and 1% cashback on all other purchases. Earn a one-time $300 cash bonus once you spend $3,000 on purchases within 3 months from account opening. Earn unlimited 4% cashback on dining, entertainment, and popular streaming services. Earn unlimited 3% cashback at grocery stores. Earn unlimited 1% on all other purchases. No rotating categories or sign-ups needed to earn cash rewards. Plus cashback won't expire for the life of the account and there's no limit to how much you can earn. Capital One cardholders get access to premium experiences in dining, entertainment, and more. Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card. For existing Prime members who frequently shop at Amazon and Whole Foods, the 5% rewards rate is stellar. To further sweeten the deal, the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card offers a 2% rewards category plus Visa Signature benefits. Get a $100 Amazon.com gift card upon approval. Visa Signature Concierge Service. Earn 5% back at Amazon.com and Whole Foods Market with an eligible Prime membership, 2% back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and earn 1% back on all other purchases. No minimum rewards balance required to redeem. Use Amazon Rewards to pay for all or part of your purchase. Capital One Walmart Rewards Card. The card offers excellent rewards for those who frequently shop at Walmart, particularly online. With no annual fee, it's a sweet deal to earn up to 5% cash back. Earn 5% cash back in Walmart stores for the first 12 months when you use your Capital One Walmart Rewards. 17.99% to 26.99% variable APR on purchases and balance transfers. No annual fee. 5% back on Walmart.com and in the Walmart app, including grocery pickup and delivery. 2% back on restaurants and travel, and at Walmart stores, Walmart and Murphy USA fuel stations. 1% back everywhere else Mastercard is accepted. Ways to redeem rewards: use rewards during checkout at Walmart.com. Redeem for a purchase, get an account credit, redeem for gift cards from Walmart or other retailers, or redeem for flights, hotels, and car rentals. $0 fraud liability. If your card is ever lost or stolen, you won't be responsible for fraudulent purchases. Capital One mobile app, pay your bill, get real-time purchase notifications, lock or unlock your card, and more. U.S. Bank Cash Plus Trademark Visa Signature Card. Considering that the U.S. Bank Cash Plus Trademark Visa Signature Card has no annual fee, it offers impressive cashback rewards potential. One caveat: be sure to opt into your preferred bonus categories each quarter, or you'll be stuck with the base rate of 1%. Earn a $200 rewards bonus after you apply online and spend $1,000 in eligible purchases within the first 120 days of account opening. 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 18 the first 12 billing cycles. No annual fee. Earn 5% cash back on your first $2,000 in combined eligible purchases each quarter on 2 eligible categories you choose, 1% thereafter. Earn 2% cash back on 1 eligible everyday category, like gas stations, grocery stores, or restaurants. Earn 1% cash back on all other eligible purchases. HSBC Cash Rewards Mastercard Credit Card. The HSBC Cash Rewards made our list especially for expats or digital nomads because HSBC has branches in 64 countries. Combine the global presence with a simple earning structure and you've got an easy option when you are not US based. Earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. Earn an introductory 3% cash back on all purchases in the first 12 months from account opening, up to the first $10,000 in purchases. 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 12 months from account opening. No annual fee. Alliant Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card. If you regularly rack up your monthly balance, the 2.5% return on the Alliant card is hard to beat. The downsides are that excellent credit is recommended before you apply for the card, and the lack of a welcome bonus. When you pay for your trip with your Alliant Signature Card, you'll have $250,000 of travel accident insurance. Earn up to 2.5% cash back with no categories to track on up to $10,000 in purchases each billing cycle, with qualifying accounts. All other purchases earn 1.5%. Cash back can be redeemed at a minimum of $25 per redemption transaction. You can choose to receive cash back from your Alliant credit card via a credit card statement credit, appearing within one billing cycle, or as a deposit into your Alliant checking or savings. Up to $5,000 of personal identity theft protection for covered expenses to restore your identity. Navy Federal More Rewards American Express Card. The Navy Federal More Rewards American Express combines compelling bonus categories and a lack of fees. Navy Federal Credit Union membership is required, but it's easier to attain than you might realize. Earn 20,000 points, a $200 value, when you spend $2,000 within 90 days of opening an account and a 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 12 months. Expires November 1, 2021. 9.65% to 18.00% variable APR on purchases and balance transfers. No annual fee. Earn 3x points at restaurants, on food delivery, at supermarkets and on gas and transit, and 1x points on everything else. Points redeemed for cash, travel, gift cards and merchandise. Up to 25% off car rental, plus car rental loss and damage insurance. Entertainment access. Get early access to purchase tickets for shows, sports and concerts nationwide, all year round.